Paper and cardboard can do more than just clutter your space. It can actually heat your home. Discover how transforming paper waste into fire logs can be both eco-friendly and cost-effective using one of our Multimate briquette presses. Every year, tons of paper waste end up in landfills, contributing to environmental degradation. By recycling paper and cardboard into fire logs using a Multimate press, we not only reduce waste but also cut down on carbon emissions, making a positive impact on our planet. Unboxing your Multimate paper briquette press is the first step towards sustainable living. With just a few simple tools, you can turn everyday paper and cardboard waste into valuable fuel for your home. Gather your materials, paper waste, water, and a bucket and your mixing paddle. These are all you need to start crafting your own fire logs. Let's dive into the mechanics of the press and see how it all comes together. Making a briquette is very simple. First, mix your waste paper with water and mix into a pulp using the mixing paddle. Second, load the pulp into the Multimate briquette maker and compress, removing all the water. And third, remove the briquette and set aside to dry. Once your logs are formed, it's crucial to dry them thoroughly. Proper drying ensures they burn efficiently. Store them in a dry place and you'll have a ready supply of eco-friendly fuel. By using paper briquettes, you're not just saving money, you're making a significant environmental impact. Imagine the savings and the reduction in waste as you embrace this sustainable habit. You can also use our presses to make horse manure briquettes, which burn at higher temperature and more environmentally friendly. Challenge yourself today, make a batch of fire logs, and experience the benefits firsthand. Together, we can make a difference, one log at a time. Let's start this journey towards a greener future. Visit our website, paperbriquettepress.com, for more details.